8 foods to fix blood flow problems. Did you know that the food you eat can have a significant impact on your blood flow? Our bodies rely on a healthy and efficient circulatory system to deliver oxygen and essential nutrients to every cell. However, factors such as poor diet and sedentary lifestyle can hinder this process, leading to various health issues. The good news is, by incorporating the right foods into your diet, you can unlock the power to improve your blood flow and promote overall wellness. In this video, we will discuss 8 foods that can help fix blood flow problems and keep your circulatory system running smoothly. So let's dive in and discover the key to better blood flow through the power of food. Note, the information in this video is for education purpose only. Follow your doctor or pharmacist advice for specific information tailored to your needs. Now let's get started. On understanding blood flow and its importance. The circulatory system is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our bodies. Without proper blood flow, our organs and tissues cannot function optimally. Understanding how blood flow works and its importance can help us make informed choices about our diet and lifestyle. By incorporating the right foods into our meals, we can improve our blood flow and promote overall wellness. So let's dive deeper into the world of blood flow and discover how we can unlock the power of food to keep our circulatory system running smoothly. Number 8. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice, with its vibrant red color and sweet tart taste, is not just a delicious treat. It also offers incredible benefits for your blood flow. Packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, pomegranate juice has been shown to improve cardiovascular health and enhance blood circulation. The high levels of nitric oxide found in pomegranate juice help to relax and dilate blood vessels, promoting smoother blood flow and reducing the risk of blockages. So, sip on a glass of refreshing pomegranate juice to give your circulatory system a much-needed boost and enjoy the many health benefits it brings. Number 7. Onions. Onions, those pungent and flavorful bulbs, might not be everyone's favorite vegetable, but they certainly have a positive impact on your blood flow. Onions contain sulfur compounds that help lower blood pressure and prevent the formation of blood clots. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce the risk of artery damage and improve circulation. Whether you enjoy them raw in salads or cooked in various dishes, adding onions to your meals can help enhance your circulatory system and keep your blood flowing smoothly. So don't underestimate the power of this humble vegetable in improving your overall health. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and trout, are not only delicious but also excellent for improving your blood flow. These types of fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Omega-3 fatty acids can also help lower blood pressure and prevent the formation of blood clots, leading to smoother blood flow throughout your body. So add some fatty fish to your diet and reap the benefits of their powerful impact on your circulatory system. Your heart and blood vessels will thank you. Number 5. Beets. Beets, with their vibrant and earthy flavor, are not only delicious but also great for your blood flow. These root vegetables are rich in nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps to relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of high blood pressure. Beets are also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can further support a healthy circulatory system. So add some roasted beets to your salad or enjoy a glass of beet juice to give your blood flow a boost and promote overall cardiovascular health. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are nutritional powerhouses that can have a positive impact on your blood flow. These greens are rich in nitrates, which help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. They are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall cardiovascular health. Adding leafy greens to your diet can not only improve your blood flow, but also provide numerous other health benefits. So whether you enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, make sure to incorporate these nutrient-dense greens into your meals for better blood flow and optimal wellness. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are not only refreshing and tangy, but they also offer amazing benefits for your blood flow. These fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is known to support healthy blood vessels and improve circulation. Vitamin C also helps in the production of collagen, a protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of blood vessels. So make sure to include citrus fruits in your diet to not only add a burst of flavor, but also give your circulatory system a much-needed boost. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts, with their rich, buttery flavor and satisfying crunch, are not only a delicious snack, but also great for improving your blood flow. These nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote cardiovascular health. Additionally, walnuts contain a compound called arginine, which helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving circulation. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can be as simple as adding them to salads, oatmeal, or enjoying a handful as a snack. So grab a handful of walnuts and give your circulatory system a healthy boost. Walnuts contain the amino acid arginine, which plays a key role in the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, leading to improved circulation. This vasodilatory effect can help reduce the risk of blood flow problems and conditions related to poor circulation. Walnuts have been shown to help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels. High LDL cholesterol is a risk factor for cardiovascular issues and can impede blood flow. By promoting healthier cholesterol levels, walnuts contribute to better blood flow and reduced cardiovascular risks. Number 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just a tasty addition to salads and sandwiches, they also offer fantastic benefits for your blood flow. These vibrant red fruits are packed with nutrients like lycopene, which has been shown to improve blood vessel function and promote healthy circulation. Additionally, tomatoes contain antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and protect against damage to the blood vessels. So don't forget to include tomatoes in your meals to boost your blood flow and enjoy their many health benefits. While incorporating these foods into your diet can have a positive impact on your blood flow, it's important to keep a few things in mind. First, it's crucial to remember that no single food can magically fix all blood flow problems. A balanced diet and overall healthy lifestyle are essential for optimal circulatory health. Additionally, some of these foods may interact with certain medications or medical conditions, so it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Finally, moderation is key. While these foods offer great benefits, consuming them in excessive amounts may lead to unwanted effects. So enjoy these foods in moderation and let them support your journey towards better blood flow and overall wellness. If you enjoyed our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future update. Thanks for watching.